Hey everyone, today I'm going to explain how to get a landscaping contractor license, also known as a C27 license in California. So a C27 license is for people who do landscaping work such as installing plants, trees, grass, irrigation systems, walkways, patios, drainage, and outdoor lighting. So this license is helpful because it allows someone to work legally, take on landscaping projects, and build more trust with the clients. So to qualify, you need to be at least 18 years old, you have a social security number or ITIN, and have at least 4 years of journey level landscaping experience. So this means that you can do the work on your own without direct supervision. And once you meet the requirements, you can apply through the California Contractor State License Board or CSLB. And after your application is processed, you will need to take two exams, the Law and Business exam and the C27 Landscaping Trade exam. And after passing both exams, you may need to complete the final steps like fingerprints, bonding, insurance, or other required paperwork. And once everything is approved, CSLB can issue your license number. So the basic steps are meet the requirements, submit the application, pass both exams, complete the final paperwork, and receive your C27 license. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.